These are the main elevators at the BNY Mellon Client Service Center garage in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Schindler 300A with MT. Get the right one. Down the garage one. Chair go down. No interior chimes. Here at garage one. It's garage 5. Chair go up. Here, garage 5. Back down to garage 3. ADA phone on the panel, on the cabinet, certificate in the management office. Why is that still there? Basic stainless steel cab. That's from like 3 arenas ago. Here, back garage 3. Then it became Console Energy Center. Now it's PPG Paints Arena. Why haven't they changed that? That's silly. And the same for right there. It says Mellon Arena. Of course, that's gonna be it.